Welcome to Coco Grace Kitchen. Welcome is not over until God says so. Yeah, we have a new dish, exciting. We have here our sweet potato leaf. I just plug it from my garden, wash it and cut it just chunky. I chop it just chunky. Yeah, I like chunky one, chunky leaf. Yeah, guys. I wash it. Yeah, I'm draining the water there. I have red palm oil, added oil. This one is African palm oil. Most of the time I do use the refined one. I do buy it in the supermarket. But this one is pure original. Bought it in African shop. We have fresh tomato. I'm thinking to put just 2 tomatoes, the small one, or I'll add some tomato puree. I'll see how if I like the color as it is, I'll leave it as it is. Yes. We have a fish. You can find it catfish. You can find it in my channel. I did it myself. I smoke it on my barbecue side. Garlic, bay leaf, chili. I don't have a fresh onions. I have onion powder, onion granulates. I have here aroma, salt, garden egg. I boiled them already, and green pepper and leek. Now let us start cooking. Sorry, let me put garlic first. Let us fry our garlic because this is palm oil. Now let it warm it so much because of the smoke. Let us fry our garlic. After garlic, let us I'm not frying the tomato. Tomato will cook it after put sweet potato. We will see. Let me cook first this, then I change my mind. I think I'm adding tomato now, and I still change my mind. I'll add tomato puree, a little bit some puree. Let us cook our tomato. So when the tomato is ready, evaporate the water. Then we'll add our vegetables. After vegetable, then our fish and garden egg. Cubes, garden egg, and the aroma and everything. Now I'm adding tomato puree. Maybe, yeah. No, it's not even a spoon. Sounds really good. Leek, garlic, chili, green peppers, and bay leaf. Now I can put now my sweet potato. Them big. You can see where some stand. When put water. It's just the steam of the veg. He's bringing his own water. We don't need a lot of sauce. Maybe I'm not adding, but now let us add our garden egg. Maybe the garden egg has water. Now I want to add my onions. It's the first time I'm cooking with onion powder. I don't have onion and pepper. I'll do my shopping tomorrow. Sorry. Most of the time I do only seasoning stuff. We did no cooking like this, like a veg with the powder here. This is the first time. Sometimes it's good as well. When you miss something, you learn something new. Okay, the cooker. Okay, to be mixed and fix the cooker. Now add the water, a little bit, not too much. As I said in the beginning, we will not put a lot of sauce. So maybe this is enough. I'm not adding. If I will add, we'll see. Let us just cook with it first. Thank you. Finish. Let us now serve. Our vegetable ready. Sweet potato leaf. Sweet potato. Sweet potato leaf. Chili. I want someone to eat the steak with the paper. The green paper. Not too much sauce, not too much tomato. Yeah, but we still have tomato, but not too much. This is our pepper. The bit of it is here. Yeah, that's it. Sweet potato leaf. Yeah, just cook with a fresh tomato and little bit some tomato puree. That's it. Not too much tomato, not too much oil, not too much sauce. Hi. The garden egg. You know me, I do my garden egg. I love when I'm doing vegetable. I love to add some garden egg. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me how you cook yours. I have different dishes of sweet potato. When you look at my video, you'll find there's a different one. This is another way as well. Thank you very much. Mzembuku na video mingi na mipenda sana video ya mwitu Muito obrigada. Ciao, ciao. Please don't forget to subscribe.